Class 8 Science, Chapter 12 Friction, and in this video we will discuss about rolling friction and fluid friction, that is drag. Wheels reduce friction. Suitcase, bags and other pieces of luggage are fitted with rollers. These are the rollers, and you are familiar, you are using these type of suitcases, bags. Okay. Even a child can pull such pieces of luggage, like small child can pull it. Okay. Now let us one activity. Take a few pencils which are cylindrical in shape. Place them parallel to each other on a table. Place a thick book over it. Now push the book. You observe that pencils are rolling as the book moves. This is the diagram. These are pencils in cylindrical shape. This is a book. When you push it, okay, you will observe that these pencils are rolling, and it is easier to move the book in this way than to slide it. In this, resistance to the motion of the book has been reduced. Rolling friction. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction. Rolling reduces friction. It is always easier to roll than to slide a body over another. That is the reason it is convenient to pull luggage fitted with rollers. Since the rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction, sliding is replaced in most machines by rolling by the use of ball bearings. Some common examples are the use of ball bearings between hubs and axles of ceilings or fans and bicycles. You can see what are these ball bearings. You see this, okay? These are the balls, and when these are fitted, actually in this diagram, this is the axle. This is a part of one cycle. This is the axle, and this is hub, and in between these two, these are the ball bearings. You can also see this is axle, and this is a cup. This is a hub. This cup is a hub, and in this, these are the small balls are there. You can also see this in the center. This is axle is there, and this is hub, and in between these are the ball bearings. Okay. Fluid friction. Air is very light and thin, yet it exerts frictional force on objects moving through it. Similarly, water and other liquids exert force of friction when objects move through them. In science, common name of gases and liquids is fluids. Okay, actually, gases and liquids have the property to flow. That's why these are commonly known as fluids. So we can say that fluids exert force of friction on the objects in motion through them. The frictional force exerted by fluids is also called drag, D-R-A-G, drag. The frictional force on an object in a fluid depends on its speed with respect to the fluid. The frictional force also depends on the shape of the object and the nature of the fluid. Simply we can say the fluid friction depends on three things. First one is speed of the object with respect to the fluid, shape of the object, and nature of the fluid. When objects move through fluids, they have to overcome friction acting on them. In this process, they lose energy. Efforts are therefore made to minimize friction. So, objects are given special shapes. In nature, birds and fishes have to move about in fluids all the time. Body of fishes and birds are shaped in a special way so that less energy is lost in overcoming friction of fluid, and this shape, that is shape of fish and bird, is known as streamlined shape. Okay, you can see this is a bird, this is a fish, and this streamlined shape helps both fish as well as birds to move easily in water and air. Okay, shape of an aeroplane is similar to that of a bird. You can see this. This is the aeroplane, similar to the shape of bird. In fact, all vehicles are designed to have shapes which reduce fluid friction. Shapes of boat and ship are similar to fish. Again, you can see this is a ship, this is a boat, and these shapes are streamlined shape. Okay, student, now this chapter is over. In the next video, we will discuss, or we will explain, I will explain the answers of exercise question of this chapter. So subscribe my channel to get the next video. Thank you.